Hello, future CAs. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. An offline unsuccessful meet. Sir, what is this, sir? Let me explain. Recently, we had Startup Singam screening for the Mind and Company, and all students came and we celebrated. We had Sports Day for cricket, badminton, and 500 students came. And success meet is something all academies do with students who come. But none of the academies, or I would say very few academies, actually care about the majority of the students. 80% of students, as per ICA results, do not make it. Now, what happens to all these students? Of course, there is a lot of support online, but they're all alone in their house, and not many academies or people care about these students except these success meets. Recently, when I was talking to Anish sir, he had mentioned that at A&M classes, all the students who couldn't make it, they came and assembled with their parents, and sir guided them, gave them free classes. Which is actually so true, and I thought, okay, for our YouTube community also, this is very meaningful and we definitely have to do this. So I planned this offline unsuccessful meet. What is this? We are not going to come together and take photos and all. Come on, guys, I'm being serious. Where you will come along with your parents if your parents are willing to come. We will just sit and talk and understand what happened. We will be a support for you, myself and Niveda ma'am and other faculties, and plan and guide what we can do next, because each student comes with a different preparation and score. Sir, what about online students? See, this offline is happening in Chennai. Online students, you all have our mobile numbers, mine and Niveda ma'am's. WhatsApp us anytime. Of course, we will respond little late, but we will respond, get on a call with you and help you out. So online students, don't worry, you always have access. But for offline students, we're going to do this. Sir, is it only for your students, sir, who studied with you at the CA classroom and took classes with you? No, it is for any CA student who has interacted with me, watched my YouTube marathon, or any support. We all had interactions in the past. So whether it is CA classroom or not, if you know me, if you believe in me, you can come for that meet with your parents. Sir, where is this happening? Like I said, it's in Chennai. Pragya CA classes, Chennai, Royapeta. Just Google for Pragya CA classes, guys, and you will find it. This is the address. It's in second floor of the building. Okay. When is this going to happen? This is going to happen on 8th of March, this Saturday, basically tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. If nobody comes or if very few students comes, we will talk with them and leave. If we have lot of students, we will stay as long as you need us to stay. So for that, just to ensure count, I'm not going to ask you to join a WhatsApp group. Come on, all of you who didn't make it, come to this WhatsApp group. No. We will just have a Telegram channel link, CACS Karthik Manikonda. Join that, where I will give updates in case there is any change. And also there will be a Google form in the description of this video and in the comments. Please fill that with your basic details so that I will know the count of who is coming, or I can at least anticipate how many are coming to arrange for water, chairs, and after that. That's it, guys. See you on Saturday if you're coming. If not online, always reach out to me. That's it. Take care. Bye bye.